everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you this video with this no credit check primary trade line to increase your credit score by 36 points. And the great news, you can build your credit while you shop. Now, if you're new to my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like this kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video, and make sure you share this content to someone who needs it. Also, at my website, I give you guys a free hard inquiry removal package because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. I also have other removal packages for purchase at my website, and I always leave these links in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. So let's jump into this information. Now, with Perpay, it allows you to build your credit over time while you shop with using your paycheck. Now, they report this line of credit to the 3 major credit bureaus, and there's no credit check required, and you can shop 1,000 brands in order to help you build your credit. What you would do is just make small payments from your paycheck to help you build your credit score, and it is designed to be made simple to help you build credit, and you can utilize this account at the same time. Now, this is a new way to build credit and increase your credit score on average of 36 points with Perpay. You will shop your favorite brands, make automatic payments, build account history, and grow your credit score with Perpay. Now, the great part, this is a primary trade line, and banks love that because when it comes to authorized user accounts, they know you did not get that account on your own merit. So you can shop featured brands like Marc Jacob, Coach, Hewlett Packard, and PlayStation, just to name a few, and build your credit, and you will get access to your spending limit and start shopping in 60 seconds. Here's how it works. You will create an account and receive a spending limit. Shop our marketplace for brands like Apple, KitchenAid, and PlayStation. Check out, submit your order for our approval team to review. Approve? Nice. Our system will help you set up your payroll direct deposit. Choose how many payments you want to make over time. Your order will be processed for shipment when we get your first payment on your next payday. Payments will be processed automatically from your paycheck each payday. Enjoy your new item with the peace of mind of knowing your payments are set up to be automatic until the order is paid in full. Now, by setting up payments to come directly out of your paycheck, you get a personalized spending limit to shop your favorite products and brands with no credit check, the ability to pay over time without paying interest or fees, build your credit by an average of 39 points while shopping for things you need, overtime access to high spending limits, and lower payments amount on your orders. Now, once you set up your account, you'll get access to their online marketplace with over 1,000 top products. You can shop things like electronics and pay it over time. Now, to be eligible for this account, you must have an active, maintained full-time employment, 3 months of continuous employment history with your current employer, paid via direct deposit, an active mobile phone, and no active bankruptcies, and in good standing with all your financial obligations. So that's what is required for this account. And hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section, and I will leave this link in the description of the video in the pinned comment section. And I hope you guys will see me in the next video. Stay tuned.